exceeding 60 words. What is radioactivity? How was the phenomenon discovered? The phenomenon of spontaneous disintegration of certain atomic nuclei resulting in the emission of radioactive rays is called radioactivity. Radioactivity is a nuclear phenomenon and it is not affected by external factors such as temperature, pressure, etc. This phenomenon was discovered by Henry Becquerel in 1896. During his studies on uranium compounds, he discovered that which affect the photographic plate in the dark. This led to him to interpret the uranium salt emitted certain high energy radiations capable of penetrating the black paper and therefore affected the photographic plate. Thus, the phenomenon of emission of active radiations from certain substances is called radioactivity. What is nuclear fission? What are controlled and uncontrolled fission reactions? How can the energy released in such reactions be used for practical purposes? Nuclear fission reaction. Nuclear fission is the process in which a heavy nucleus breaks up into two lighter nuclei of almost equal size with the release of an enormous amount of energy. This type of nuclear fission reaction was observed by bombarding U-92-235 with slow-moving neutrons. Mechanism of fission. In the fission process, the heavy nucleus absorbs a neutron and forms an unstable compound nucleus. The compound nucleus then breaks up more or less in the middle to give fission product. U-92-235 plus N01 gives Ba56-141 plus 3N01 plus 200 million electron volt. U-92-235 plus N01 gives U-92-236 which gives Ba56-140 plus Kr3693 plus 3N01 or Xc54-144 plus Sr3890 plus 2N01, CS55-144 plus Rb3790 plus 2N01. Further, the neutrons released, say 3, from the fission of first uranium atoms can hit their 3 other uranium atoms. In this way, a chain reaction is set up resulting into the liberation of an enormous amount of energy. If the chain is allowed to go out of control, it will lead a powerful explosion with the liberation of very large amount of energy. The atom bomb works on this principle. This fission process is self-multiplying process and hence a tremendous amount of energy is released in a very short interval of time. Therefore, explosion takes place. Atom bomb is based on nuclear fission process. The above principle is utilized in atom bomb for destroying purposes. Controlled nuclear fission reaction. If the nuclear fission reaction is made to occur in a controlled manner, the energy released can be used for constructive purposes. The arrangement or equipment used to carry out nuclear fission reaction. The core of the nuclear reactor produces heat through nuclear fission. Heavy water at high pressure takes heat away from the core. In the heat exchanger, the heavy water inside the reactor gives up its heat to water outside the reactor, which boils to form steam. The steam is taken away to drive turbines and that make electricity.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.